How to add conda environment to jupyterlab. I'm using jupyterlab and I'm having trouble to add conda environment. The idea is to launch jupyterlab from my base environment, and then to be able to choose my other conda invs as kernels. I installed the package nb_conda_kernels, which is supposed to do just that, but it's not working as I want. Indeed, let's assume I create a new conda environment, then I launch jupyterlab from base. I can't see the new environment as an available kernel. I have found a fix, which works every time but is not convenient at all. If I install jupyternotebook in my new environment, then launch a jupyternotebook from this new environment, close it, go back to base environment, and then launch jupyterlab from base environment, my new environment is available as a kernel in jupyterlab. If you know how to make it work without this fix, I would be very grateful.
A solution using nb_conda_kernels. First, install it in your base environment. Then in order to get a kernel for the conda_senv, you will get a new kernel named Python, conda_senv, in your next run of jupyterlab, jupyternotebook. Note, if you have installed nb_conda_kernels, and want to create a new conda environment and have it accessible right away, then will do the job.
Assuming your conda env is named senv, it is as simple as if you restart your jupyternotebook/lab, you will be able to see the new kernel available. For newer versions of Jupyter, kernel will appear without restarting the instance. Just refresh by pressing F5. PS, if you are using virtualenv etc., the above steps hold good.
I tried both of the above solutions and they didn't quite work for me. Then I encountered this Medium article which solved it, this URL. Essentially, after running conda, install ipykernel inside of your senv environment. It is also good to run python ipykernel install username senv within the senv environment. That way, we make sure that the version of Python that is used within the Jupyter environment is the one in senv. Cheers.
I couldn't get conda environment to show up in jupyterlab as well, and for me worked only this, assuming as above senv as environment name. Conda activate senv, conda install ipykernel, python m ipykernel install username equals senv.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.